Alright everyone, today we're gonna do part number... Shit, I forget where we're at, 10? I guess, oh shit, hold up, I forgot to turn on my controller. Oh, silly me. Silly me, where are we at today? Oh, we're back with the Autobots. We spent 4 missions with the Decepticons, now we're with the Autobots. Or Primus knows how many missions this is going to be. Oh, we're at the Hoover Dam. Alright. Cool, we're here. Oh, here's our crew. We got Ironhide, Jazz, Optimus. Well, I guess Bumblebee's been captured at this point. I'm assuming because they don't show us. They don't show Bumblebee being captured for whatever reason in this game. At least this version, not the console version. But still. Alright, who am I playing as today? Oh, wait, first we gotta watch this entire... Oh, shit. Here comes Decepticons. Scrap. Oh, shit. There's Jazz. No, we don't even see his death in this version of the game. What the heck? Like, bro, we don't see his death? Jeez. Because in the console version, he gets taken out by Barricade and Scrap. What's his face? Bro. So let's see where we're at. Whoa! Autocannon number 3. Oh, so... Autocannon number 3 doesn't do anything? Jeez. Whoosh! That does a lot of damage. This does... Okay, how does medium laser number 1 not do much? So, okay. I guess that worked. Keep Ratchet alive. As you travel your way to Hoover Dam, do not travel too far ahead of Ratchet. Road to Hoover number 1, alright. Oh! Let's fight! Ah! Alright, let's roll. I transform, I don't know why I do it, but hey, I do it anyways. Oh, these suckers. Is that not to go ahead of Ratchet's head? More spears. One. Okay. Good. Alright. I hate this. The reason why I like to transform is I like to jump. Oh crap, these guys. I forgot these guys. I forgot how hard these guys are to beat the shit out of. I forgot. Okay. Just pick a weapon. I forgot how hard these guys are in this game. He's distracted. Got him. Alright. Phew. They say not to get ahead of Ratchet, so I can't do that. Shit. Alright. Where are you running to? That enemy is running somewhere. Dude, why are you... Oh, shit. I'm such lag. Screw it. Alright. Where are you? Come here. Come here. here, you sucker. Come. Alright, is there a dude right here? Yeah, there is. There's a guy right here on his ass. Right! Okay. Yeah, I guess. Alright. Oh, I guess not. Okay. Good. Oh, I'm full health, thank God. Okay. Oh, no. This guy. I hate this guy so much. These big guys, I hate them. Alright. This is the biggest sucker. Yep, got him. Okay. Let's roll. Oh, so you're not gonna move? Okay. Aha! Where? Hey, it's Window. What is he doing here? I'm here. Okay. What is that? Oh my god. What the? Okay. Ooh, I just jumped over him. Okay, so let's... What am I doing? Secure, dial in, fun, or the whole thing. What the hell? Where is that lead? Okay, one second. Shit. Alright, come here. Yeah. Why is Ratchet shooting at me? What the hell? Oh, there you are. There you are, sucker. Got him. Alright. Ratchet, you're still alive. Thank you for trying this. Okay. Let's roll. Okay. What's next? Press onto Thundercracker's lair. Oh shit! We are going to no. Nah, we can't do that. Oh man. We're hitting up Thundercracker's lair, y'all. Oh shit. Damn, I drive that fast. Damn, we're going up in the belly of the beast. Okay. I guess let's go. What's going on over here? Oh! Well, well. Look who's arrived. These guys, and they don't do that. And it ain't doing shit. Alright. Anyway, Black, come on. Really, gonna beat the shit. Come on. Gotcha. Look at these big guys. God damn. Oh, come on. Can I get it right? This guy. Oh, look at you hiding. Look at you. Look at you hiding. Hiding among the buildings. Come on now. Don't even. Wait, so we're gonna continue? What's going on? Oh, okay. Oh, great. That is, objectives completed. 4 objectives have been completed. Enemies destroyed 12. Or 13 rather. Melee kills are 12. Wow. No deaths. And we had full health. 119 points. Oh, Sonic Wave. Cool. Hound. Cool. Mission has been unlocked. Alright, cool. Thank you guys for watching. Later.